Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tune a WRX yourself. First, it's crucial to understand the significant risks associated with modifying your engine's parameters. Improper tuning can lead to severe engine damage, so proceed with extreme caution. You'll need a laptop, specialized tuning software, and a wideband oxygen sensor for accurate air-fuel ratio readings. Always back up your factory ECU map as your very first step before making any adjustments. This provides a safe fallback if issues arise during the tuning process. To begin, you'll need a few key pieces of equipment. A reliable open-source tuning cable, often referred to as an open port cable, is essential for connecting your laptop to the WRX's ECU. Install appropriate tuning software, such as ROM Radar for open-source maps or Accessport Manager if you're using a COB Accessport. A wideband oxygen sensor is critical for monitoring your air-fuel ratio, ensuring your engine runs safely and efficiently. Finally, a data logging device helps record vital engine parameters during your tuning sessions. Diving into the ECU map, you'll encounter various parameters that control your engine's behavior. Key areas include fuel maps, which dictate how much fuel is injected, and ignition timing, which controls when the spark plugs fire. Boost control parameters manage the turbocharger's output. Understanding how these interact is vital. Aim for specific air-fuel ratios, typically around 12.5 to 1 for wide-open throttle, to ensure optimal power and safety. Always prioritize knock correction to protect your engine from damaging pre-ignition. When making adjustments, always proceed with extreme caution. Implement small, incremental changes to only one parameter at a time. After each modification, perform thorough data logging to analyze how the engine responds. Conduct test drives in a safe, controlled environment, paying close attention to engine behavior. Monitor for any signs of engine knock, overheating, or unusual performance. Remember, patience and meticulous observation are key to achieving a safe and effective tune for your WRX.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.